Hey, what's up, everybody? Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you watch me from. DB right here. This is the podcast. This is the episode 2, 2024. We have our special guest in the building. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Give it up to our special guest.
Jeez, thumbs up for her.
We have the Mama of Africa.
Yes, so.
The outfit speak Mama of Africa. Let them know, man.
Yes, so it's me again, no. Your favorite lady damsel in the building.
Let's give them.
Ooh.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See, this 2024, I want people in UK, people in US, people in Canada, not to take it personal. I'm upset, I'm angry, at the vex, at the para. Kí ló ṣe yín gan? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà Canada, kí ló ṣe yín? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà UK, kí ló ṣe yín? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà America, kí ló ṣe yín gan? Ẹ ti ń ṣó ara yín jù. Tá bá dẹ̀ bínú tán, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín. God forbid. Tá bá ní kẹ́ wá bá wa ṣe holiday ní Nàìjíríà. Àti bínú gan nìyẹn o. Àdẹ fẹ́ kí wẹ́ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. Ẹ kàn máa wá abandon Nàìjíríà. Ẹ máa abandon àwa tá wà síbẹ̀. Friendship wa ẹ máa gbé kọ́ síbì kan. Ṣó yẹ kó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀? A jọ ń ṣe ọ̀rẹ́, a jọ ń jẹ, a jọ ń mu. Ẹ ti dé ibi tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti wet ground báyìí. Ibi tó ti dùn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó nílùú yẹn wọ́n ti túlù wọn ṣe, ẹ̀yin náà wá fẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Ẹ gbàgbé wípé kìnnìkan àwọn tó wà Nàìjíríà I never chop ni wọn. Are we fucking begging you to give us something before you? Anyway, we appreciate those of you that send money across to the family, to friends, to other. But some of you, they are fucking. Don't let me say. I don't like saying that because I'm upset. The reason why I'm upset, don't mind my language. The reason why I'm upset is because some of our friends that we believe that will never, ever take us for granted. They took us for granted though. If I tell you, one of our friends that we clothed, we fed, we do everything
that
to support.
one is even grammar. We stood up from the trenches together. Everybody understand the word trenches. So we stood up from the trenches together. We all came from the ghetto. So if you dey hear, now make you just focus on God. Now only God fit do am. Now wetin make my last self sing be that. Oh ṣé Ọlọ́run ò bójú mi. If you go dey look at those people, they go bójú anybody jail. They no send you.
But why? You want travel? We dey together last night.
Okay.
And the next day we just wake up. We dey hear Bunny. Wetin happen? Our friend don gbeja.
Don't go with that.
Shey if you wan gbeja, if you announce it to us.
If you which now? You dey whine.
Okay, what about the people that are planning to travel? My throw party, my talk. You guys, everybody pull up.
The problem with Nigerians, black mentality. You black man with black mentality. We always believe that ìyá alágbájá ló ń ṣe kinní kan, bọ̀dá tàmẹ̀dò ló ń ṣe kinní kan. It's because you yourself, you feel you can do something like that. That is why you feel that one person can do that for you. Black man, black mentality. If your mind is plain, you will never assume or think that somebody would want to stop you from making progress.
That's true.
But say if you want travel, where you call party, where you call everybody, where we can't drink, where we can't do anything, say that one stop you, say make you no travel.
People where they do and play,
no, most of them feel that if they tell you go hold that plane no go fit move.
okay, let me use àwọn olórin tọ́wọ́ sọ pé monitor. They never even go. They don't. They tell you ahead. Say,
so then get
I
up.
get up for this state, this country.
One of my that smart did American tour show before he went for the tour. He did American tour show in Nigeria before he even went for the tour.
And everything went successfully.
Everything went well. That smart went to America. He has even traveled to other countries. And the guy is doing fine. And this guy also came out from the trenches. And he's not looking down on anybody that they grew up together.
I think the earlier they realize that the people that you started with can take you far. The people you
started with can take you far. But most of them don't know. But I don't blame them too.
Okay.
Because when you talk this way, you need to talk this way. You need to balance the equation.
Okay.
Because you will not blame anybody that is acting well. Some people is due to the kind of experience or the kind of environment they grew up from. So it can affect whatever they want to do. So we don't have to blame them.
Okay.
And some people, their mentality. Maybe they are this kind of people that is always negativity
all their lives.
They are feeding their thoughts, everything about them is negative. Then there will be problem. So when we talk this way, we should also be considerate.
Upbringing has to do and the environment.
Upbringing, their environment, the kind of news that they are being fed with. Also matters. So we should not blame them that much.
Okay. So meaning that whatever anybody decided to do, let them carry their cross. If you go their own favor, it is not because sometimes, let me tell you, I feel betrayed when my friend could not tell me I'm leaving this country. But I think that makes me stronger.
Yes, it will definitely, because somebody that you feel that you've gone through a lot together, you feel that you've done a lot of shit together.
Yeah.
This person that you feel that no, all my secret is with this person. We've run a lot of things, and the person decides to chop your eyes. They no send you come, but it will make you stronger. But another thing is, you will now have problem because your mentality will change and it will affect a lot of things, because you will not be able to do some things you used to do for some people again.
That's true. That is 100% truth. Listen, these days, do you know what I've learned from that experience has made me to look like this? If I look at you like this, I said to myself, I like trusting people, but I said to myself that I can't give you that 100% trust. But whatever I do with you is what makes me happy. Do you understand? Once I do something that makes me happy, if I'm done, I'm done. But if I go extra mile, let me give you an example. I have money that's supposed to be for my reserve, and you say, guy, I'm pursuing this something. If I can steal something from you, so add up to that, as long as it's good thing or good vibe, I'll give you. But other motidi or kala nsiyo.
Kala. Daju.
Uwaika. Listen, because I always feel like Timba lo kowo yi fún ẹni yìí tó bá tiẹ̀ ṣe bí mi ṣe ta ni mo fẹ́ máa fẹjọ́ sùn.
Who do you want to?
Do you know, at the end of the day, our society don't spoil. They go say, wọ́n máa sọ fún ẹ
explain you go explain tire no evidence.
wọ́n tẹ̀ máa sọ fún ẹ pé ìwọ ló gọ̀.
àṣẹ ni ẹ̀.
wọ́n máa ní any money tó bá ti lè dash yàn society will tell you ipe
what you can
owó tó bá máa bùn tó mọ̀ pé
don't borrow
ipe tí ò ní fún ẹ lẹ́dí.
don't borrow.
But so that kind of experience does not give me the room to do something that will make me go extra mile to say I want to you know what is called sacrifice. Sacrifice. You understand? So it has now become what you think that makes you happy, because if I just give the person, it's only waiting I think I will not feel pain. That is not sacrifice. You understand?
Yeah.
And another thing is that who knows if the person is telling the truth or not? God forbid. I was at the bus stop, a pretty lady,
wow,
walk up and say, "Excuse me." I was shocked. But when they say, "Excuse me," you know that kind of excuse.
Some people, if it be say corporate beggar everywhere now.
Yes, now. So I didn't want to stop, but she's pretty. I don't want people to be looking like
attention.
Yes, sir. And I was okay. Say, "Yes, I don't know if you can
help me."
I didn't even let her land. But I now remember that somebody said, whenever anybody walk up to you, God knows. Forget whether the person is lying or telling the truth. God knows you are in possession of something that belongs to that person. That my oga, my respect to him again. Is my boss, MKO. I'll forever appreciate you. See, when the man told me, I was like, wait, does God operate that way? And another thought saying, yes. So he said, you know, there are millions of people passing. For the person to say, God,
you.
It's like God is testing you. So, but in that sense, I still use my stubborn mind. Say, I'm going to look for smarty. Smarty.
It's normal now. You are human.
Look for
blood runs through your veins.
Because I didn't want God to get offended. I mean, you know now.
Yes.
So now, but I said this. I said, "Sir, ma, are you going to this place?" Meanwhile, we are on this side, and the other side is when the woman, I don't want to mention any area. The other side is when the woman mentioned she was going. She now asked me, because we need to use pedestrian bridge. Me, I was going like this. She now say, "Are you going to such a place?" I said, "Where are you going?" She said, "She's going there." She said, "Are you to going there?" I said, "No." I now told her, you need to cross to the other side. Because yeah, I expected her to be on the other side. If you need any assistance, be somewhere close to where you are going. So people that are inside the vehicle will say, "Okay, come in, we will help you." You understand now? So I now say,
use.
Because immediately I said, "I don't have much." She started smiling. She now started like, can you come? I said, "Madam, I been no vex. This one, you see, myself, I never even know whether this one go carry me reach where they go." Now, to cut the story short, as we are growing, as we encounter life, we see different things that change the way we are raised, the way we wanted to take life. What do you think?
Yes. We advance every day, and we should not allow our advancement to affect our thinking or our mentality or our way of life. A lot of people have missed it because of this advance.
Yes.
A lot of people has been rude to who they are not meant to be rude to. A lot of people have made terrible mistake that till now they are regretting ever doing anything of such. So we should try not to offend people. We should try to also listen to our environment, look, watch around, be observant. Try to hear from people before you pronounce anything.
I would like to say this. With you, on that same topic, I would like to ask you, how would you feel if like Yoruba used to say, "Onikun lo moka." We are not saying this person is wrong, this person is right. Like I said earlier, whatever anybody chooses to do, let the person carry the cross by.
Carry your cross.
Yeah. But you, within you, you know how much you love this person. And you know what you expected from that person, right?
Okay.
And you now believe that there are some certain things that is not expected from that person. And the person did to you. Like, you have somebody that you know that is your friend, and the person, hey, hi, what's up, baby? How you doing? Tomorrow we're gonna go out, we're gonna do this. The next day you just found out that the person is it jabaye or dabaye or whatever jabaye, but you japa. How you go feel?
I'll feel bad. I'll feel very, very bad because I will feel that the person does not hype me the way I hype the person. And it's possible for the person should have put me in my place long before then. But because I like the person or because I love the person, I didn't see it coming. So if I now later find out, I'll be disappointed. It will really get me, like, seriously. Because I'm this kind of a person that when I love you wholeheartedly. Whether you're a guy or whether you're a lady, or if I love you, I love you. But if you misbehave, so put it low.
But don't you think that sometimes the other person, I mean, they may not see it the way you are perceiving it, like it's just normal thing.
That is life. I can see something from one angle, and the person might see it like, Akilo wrong. There's nothing wrong in it. It's just like you relating the story to somebody that has not passed through that kind of experience. The person will just look at it like, Bobo, it's Yahweh, man. Kilo.
But that can be hurtful because if you are feeling the pain,
yes,
you are not trying to see somebody that can
understand, that can see from the angle
and give you the right,
just tell me that okay, just calm down. I can understand. You just need somebody that will just see what you're saying and just calm you. And another person will not be putting petrol inside the no, I can slap that person.
No, but
or better say, I'll just tell you, please, let's change the topic.
But then, how many one matter has now escalated to different people now.
Different people.
We are trying to say, okay, give me good advice. This person did, and I was hot.
All those kind adage, and I'll just be like, what the fuck?
But do you know that some people, they don't know when they're supposed to take matters serious and when they just they know that sometimes when people come for advice, like this person did this, I think the best way to handle that situation is to say, okay, is that all? See, I think you have to just control your emotion. Don't expect too much. I think it has happened. The other person may not see the way you are seeing it, but don't let that divide your relationship. I think you should just build up your understand and try to know how to get to know the person better and move on from there. If necessary, don't even think about raising the matter. If necessary, you can jokingly or say, you were can't share what to
fuck up,
that kind of thing. And the person go tell you, like one of my friends, I just jokingly say, guy, you don't abandon me. You say, God, no be so. Say our time is different from your time. Before I can come back from work, that is sensible enough for me to say, ọ̀gá, àwọn tó rò pé fi ẹ́ sílẹ̀, wọ́n ṣí ẹ́ lẹ̀, wọ́n ṣí ẹ́ lẹ̀ o. I have one of my friend that is not talking to me. Wetin dey happen? But now I think it's our thinking here. Like, we feel that once they get to UK, America, once I won't learn, because some of them will not tell you the truth. Have you seen anybody that travel abroad that call you, tell you exactly how life is over there? Have you experienced anybody sharing the true life experience in UK? Because let me tell you, what we dey see for TV and social media, now they make us they misbehave. We they believe to hate on who is not necessary to hate on.
I was opportune to speak with a friend, and to be candid, we are blessed in Nigeria.
We are blessed in Nigeria.
We are blessed in Nigeria. If you dey look woman house for you, go look us for free, you go look breast for free. In Nigeria, you go admire, admire babe. You feel, but for there, you know if you try am, then go charge you for assault. If you look too much, na problem.
So I go wear shade. Okay.
If you like,
some people wearing shade now for a reason. They will say looking harassment.
Na Nigeria you go talk say one kin rojo oju. For abroad dem dey rojo oju. You go enter court, you go explain tire, no evidence. It's one of my male friend that told me. I'm just like, boy, you know go club or where? Club where you go, where you no go fit touch babe. For Nigeria, you fit enter club touch babe now.
Touch any
you come.
I can touch like 5 to 15. We dey catch cruise now.
Him talk say you know fit try that one for Yankee. If you try am, they fit jail you for assault.
God.
And you where you just enter one place, so you dey try build your career. May you don't go may you can't get police record for your file.
What you are saying? Do you know that I watched something on TikTok or with your Facebook or recently? I saw in whether police. I didn't. The camera is not showing the interviewer. Is it? Yes. It's only the guy name. I think it's maybe about 3 of them. The woman interviewing the guy, or is he interrogating? Will I say? I don't know whether it's interview or something.
Interview, no.
The guy is standing here. There's a person here. I think that person is the security or police.
Okay.
The woman, I can only hear the
person's voice.
And there's another guy. It's like they have captured that guy.
Okay.
The man were asking him that, hello, who are you chatting lately? The guy was trying to deny. So I don't get the whole information, just a small clip. What I notice or sense is that guy is trying to chat underage girl.
Okay.
You know that I believe that when you are chatting underage girl, that is abnormal. It's forbidden in their. It's not allowed in their own country.
Constitution.
Yes, and when it now comes to you sharing some sensitive pictures, you understand? That could lead to that person being jailed.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I think, remember. That's why I'm saying I'm supporting or what you're saying. So now, do you think Nigeria as a country, we don't have that limitation when it comes to how you talk, how you associate, how you relate? We are nobody. I've never seen anybody in my community or in my environment that have been accused of, underage in our environment. What you learning now? Yes, we know that is not good, but underage girls. some guys dey like.
Yeah.
And nothing dey happen. Even their mama sef, they will be saying, ṣé bọ̀dá yẹn fún ẹ lówó?
Yeah, their parents will end up having problems because it's just like a Yoruba adage that they will say, "Ọmọ ẹ̀ ò ṣàgbà fọwọ́n káṣọ
Káṣọ
wálé."
wálé. Let's
So
hold it there. Ọmọ ẹ̀ ò ṣàgbà fọwọ́n káṣọ wálé.